Again. Re-invite.
Oh, there. I did it. Okay. Oh,
Alright.
how do I accept? Okay.
Okay, so we go to open world and zombies. Let's finish
Yeah.
the quest, bruh. Shit, I guess.
I'm gonna eat some nuts. Oh, right.
Oh
I
no,
forgot.
I'm
I
in
lost my
quarantine
stuff.
zone.
I lost my stuff. I forgot.
Oh shit, I'm in quarantine zone. You wanna meet up in the quarantine zone? I'm in the quarantine zone.
Gang, I just lost my shit.
Yeah, you lost your shit. That means let's just meet in the quarantine zone because
Okay,
yeah,
yeah, I can hear the jackhammer in the back.
my days. Oh, I
It's
am
fine, it's
so
fine.
heavy.
Okay, wait, I think I know where I am.
Okay,
It's the...
I'm in the middle.
I think I am at... yeah, I think I know now.
Yeah.
I am at, like, one of the... Oh, shit, no. What the fuck happened?
Where the freak is that? That's
I
oh.
think I'm near that. I'm near that, maybe.
Wait. Oh shoot! It's 4. It's 4. Oh no. Okay, hold on.
Is that bad?
Oh, it's gonna be nighttime, bro. I can't run. I'm fat. I found you a shotgun, bro. Okay.
I think
found you a shotgun. We gotta extract. Hello, so I have no like, what do you call that? I have no stuff to defend myself with.
there's a full of zombies.
Oh, there you
hello.
were. Okay. Here's shotgun.
So like,
Here's the cool shotgun.
dude.
You took it.
Damn.
Can't hit him.
Huh.
They'll probably see us where are we. Okay, come on.
Okay.
I need a way to run.
Wait, how much stuff do you have on you, bro?
Okay, I'm 23 kilograms.
Wait, give me the stuff you have.
Oh my god. Okay. Come here. I'm gonna remove everything in my backpack. I have a working smartphone though.
Peanuts. Is it worth the
Truth by dressing? We gotta recall, bro. We gotta recall because.
Hurry. Wait, I can hear.
Dodge. Dude, right.
Dude.
Dude,
they're coming out of that.
Okay. They're chasing you, but I'm not chasing. We have no time.
We get back, God.
No, we can, bro.
Yes, we're good.
Wait, why are they shooting me? Why did they shoot me?
You good? Wait. Let's do it.
Okay. And then
Ground 02.
Hold on. I gotta get my stuff.
This these. Okay. Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
Yeah, that's just normal.
Hospitals, I wanna do it, it just does it. Like, please don't do that.
Where?
Wait, no, sleep. I want my
Okay, this is the entrance. This is the end. Oh, there's a school bag here. You want one? Yeah, surprising. No, or that was the horde that we had. More like a someone climbing. The one behind you.
Oh, what the hell is this? There's a horde.
Yeah, I'm telling you, this is the horde that we had.
No keys.
I can't break that again.
Great. I really understood that one. Filter! But I have no gas mask.
Is this like the area the sheepdogs are now? Yep, that is. Yep. Okay, we did it.
What the hell? Okay, what's this? No gas mask. Filter, yeah. What the hell? There's a SWAT belt. What? That's a SWAT belt? You passed down a SWAT belt. You could equip it.
Oh. Okay, I'll grab it then.
Wait. It's right here. That's so
How do I look?
cool. There's a SWAT
cool.
belt. Wait, did they add
Can I
those-
holster my gun? Yeah, they did.
Because the stupid filter.
Oh god,
the stupid mask won't. On a mask, thank you. One fast zombie.
The real one's like on your side.
We could also give that to the people. This is where I like record.
Hurry. Just run, keep running.
Zombies in my way.
I'll protect you. I'll cover you. I'll sacrifice my filter. Go.
I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die.
I'm here.
Revive. Oh, okay. Behind you.
Fucking god.
Revive,
Okay, wait, hold
revive
on.
me.
Hold on. I don't have any. Wait. Shit. I forgot to pack some bandages.
Okay, dressing. Bandage. You.
Okay. I'm sorry.
When I go, I wanna be.
No filter though.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. There's an enemy there.
Shit, cover.
Okay, dude. Shoot! Wait, hold on, back up!
Shit!
There's enemies behind you.
Yep. I'm down.
Okay, I'm saving you. Is there
There's one guy here. Damn it. Thanks.
Heal up with your bandage.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh my god.
come on.
Wait, I'll cover. Wait, stop.
Where are you?
I'm covering.
What happened? What was that?
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Run. Okay. Go all of them. Okay.
Shit.
Hold on. Everything okay. Retrieve this. Retrieve that.
Retrieve it. Okay, hold on. Got it. Jesus, is that fucking heavy? Okay. The data driver or whatever. The storage driver. You hold him up. I'm taking a picture. You kill everyone. Just keep going. Keep fucking going.
It's a horde behind this. Wait, hold on. Are they dead?
Clear out everything. No,
Picture
huh?
everything.
I am. Dude, this storage driver is so fucking heavy.
That's why I'm like, use it.
Okay.
Also, we both need ourselves. Like so many.
Okay, you take that one. I'll take this one up here. Yeah.
Make sure the last one.
Stay here for the night. Do you have any food?
No, I also need food. Okay, you mentioned there's like death and hunger, and then we notice there's one food, so we fight over the food. There's gonna be death when you don't have food.
Okay, there has to be food here though.
Oh yeah, wait, no, there's an entrance of I guess apartments. I think there's foods there. Okay, come on.
Let's go.
Oh, shh.
Okay.
Go to the side. Wait, where's my microphone? Okay, go to the side. Just sit down, bro.
Me go to the side?
Stupid.
You'll
I might
take. I'll just take the first one.
This one.
You've got me fucking kidding me.
I found an emergency key. I found an emergency exit.
Okay, do you know where that location for the emergency key is?
Yeah, it
Okay,
is
good.
In the You know that quarantine zone, and the one we entered.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Also, where I placed the clip, like, this is the end. Yeah,
That
that
part.
one. Yeah, you have to go to the.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count.
What
I'm
in
so
the
hungry.
world? What the hell? What is this? M and W. What is a MW? Where does this take place? 19th December? That means this place looks so rotten. It felt like it was like 2027
2027.
when it's
Oh,
like being overrun by zombies. Yeah, I think yeah. This is has to be new. What is MW?
they got Go GW. Okay.
What is MW?
Bitch.
What? What? I actually don't know what the fuck is this.
Male women. I'm going back to
What the
bed.
fuck? It is? Then tell me,
Ne-
why is the male's room more bigger than the women's room?
Yeah, because male does that, okay? Okay.
Ooh,
Wait,
Luke,
what?
Luke, Luke, come here.
Hold on. Hold on.
What?
Sleeping, okay.
Look. What the?
I don't think they respect women.
Okay.
Can't use any of my guns because they're fucking loud.
Okay. Let's go to an apartment.
Let's go to. Ow.
There's an apartment here. Okay. I know where's the key of this apartment, so let's just go there. Or you want to save it for
Okay.
later?
Let's save for later.
No, the big ones. Why are you dropping the big one?
Because okay, I already replaced it
There's a
inside.
scar. Yo, you want to go to scar?
Give me that shit.
I have legit never played Halo in my life. Only have you? Wait, what's your first game?
Why the fuck you put that there? I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
McDonald's.
I'll take in the photos.
Wait, one more.
Okay, last one. You go
What's
ahead.
this one?
Locate the
No.
water treatment point. That part you said.
We have no ammo.
Well, and I like
Sorry.
pizza. I'm just gonna go to the site already.
Here. Okay, go to this bus area. Over here. Over here. It won't fly.
Holy fuck, we should have brought a grenade with us. Yeah, there's one. Oh my god, this is light. Let me turn it down. Are these all of them in one building? it's not this as many.
I pull out chips.
Oh, come on.
I was expecting for them to be less.
More of them.
Okay, there's more.
Okay. Oh, this is the part where you, yeah, so.
Hold on.
Other folks here.
Back up!
I'm backing up. Oh my god! They're back! Help me. Just kill them all. Oh my god, bro. Dude, I'm bleeding out.
Just keep holding spacebar.
Okay. Hurry up because I don't have any time left.
I'm dead.
Oh my... Dude!